Welcome back to our channel, The Science Kids. So today the praying mantis started eating each other. So if you want to show them this real fast. They started eating each other, so we need to separate them into separate containers for the ones that we've kept. And so we have our cheese ball container, our pretzel container, and a Fiji water container. And I just took the sticker off the back so we'd be able to watch. And what we are doing is we're putting, for these two, I got garden soil. But for this one, we're just gonna put in some dirt from outside. So I just went and got some dirt from outside. We're also using some wildflowers to plant in there. We planted wildflowers in this one as well. They aren't growing just yet. And we have some plain regular grass seed. Also, we're gonna need some scissors, paper towel to make a lid like this. For this, except we're just going to take this lid off. And you'll need a funnel for this water bottle one because we won't be able to just dump it in. For these ones we didn't need that, but. And I got paper towel and a rubber band. Okay, so step number one is we need to put the dirt down into the water bottle. So can you get a spoon, kitten? Okay, are you going to do the dirt, Kaden? Okay, so Kaden's going to put the dirt in for us today. So it's kind of simple. You don't need that big of a container to keep the praying mantis. Once it starts getting big, we'll make sure that it can fit out of the top. Here, let's switch places with Kaden so he has a better. Switch places with Kaden. There you go. You can see if you go on that side of him. There you go. Wow. I think we need a bigger scooper.
Yeah. Yeah. Scooper up. It's gonna flip. Levi to the rescue.
Wait, is it not going down?
Nope. Something's clogging it. I bet it's a rock. Yep. Take that out.
Okay, maybe this wasn't the best idea.
Levi to the rescue! Yeah.
I have an idea. Okay, stop, Levi. Please stop.
But then Levi to the rescue.
Okay, well you can rescue it in a different way. I have a better idea. Just a minute. Everybody sit tight.
Levi to the
I'll be
rescue.
fast.
Oh, I know what she's doing. She's getting a separate bowl for all the rocks. Right?
She is going to sift the dirt.
Huh?
Okay. Change of plans. Because we got our dirt from outside and didn't do anything with it, it's not fitting through the hole. Okay, pour that in there. It is.
And just the that's gonna go through. No rocks. It's like we're gold mining. Right, Mom?
Yep.
I want to help you sing.
This should be called gold panning.
I have to sneeze.
Go ahead. Whoa,
Okay.
that's what I've got. That's a
I
lot
think we
of
got
rocks.
all the rocks out. Now let's try it.
Okay. Ice cream scooper. Yeah, scoop that up.
There. That's what I envisioned it doing the first time.
How about you click the button and scoop some
All right,
up?
let's put
go.
some of, let's see, one more scoop. Maybe two more scoops.
Or maybe 6 more scoops.
Oh, we need 2 sticks. Can you go outside and find some sticks?
Huh? Me?
You don't want to? There's some
Okay.
little dowels over there. Okay.
Where are the towels?
Over there. Yeah, those would be good. I think the tall one.
Tiny.
No, the tall one.
Okay.
All right, now who's doing the flower seed?
Me.
All right, let's put this over here so it's out of our way.
I'm doing the grass seed.
Okay, now let's add, the grass seed goes on top. Okay, we're not gonna put all of them in because we are gonna plant some of these in our yard. But you can plant some seeds.
Hey, I got the 2 sticks. I got the 2 sticks, Mommy. Like this?
Uh-huh.
I have the 2
And then
sticks.
we'll put some, good job. Let's see, let me cut those a little bit.
No, that's all rocks.
It's fine.
It's
All right.
It's music.
Stop it. I don't want dirt in my
No, it's
sink.
not music.
Now we need another scoop
It's
of
for
dirt
Mommy.
to go over the flower seeds.
Oh, yeah. Hey, that's all I was doing with dirt.
Okay.
I
And do
already
the
do
dirt.
it.
You did the flower seeds. And then Levi's going to put in some grass seeds.
Okay. All of these?
Sure.
Okay, excuse
Or-
me.
Okay, stop kidding. We're done with dirt.
Dirt is.
Okay. I think that's good. That's good.
No, just a
No,
tiny
that's
bit.
too many. Stop.
Tiny bit.
If you would like to continue doing the project, you need to listen.
Okay. I just needed a tiny bit.
No, I said no. All right. Now we need to put a little bit of water in there. To water our little ecosystem.
What's an ecosystem? What?
We're creating a little ecosystem in there.
Wow.
Okay, just about this much.
Wow.
It doesn't matter.
Wait, 1 minute. How much?
That would be good. Pour it in carefully, please.
I wanted to do it.
Then let Haley do a little. Go ahead.
There's still a little more.
All right, now we have to let our water settle.
Maybe this will take longer than I thought. Crack, crack.
No, I'm gonna do it.
Wait down. It's covering up the water.
Just to
Yay!
make sure we get all of that water.
Mountain.
All right.
It's a mountain.
This looks like a mountain. All right, I need to. I think if I just do this,
Yep.
because we need it to be a little bit shorter.
And sharper.
This one. Okay.
Yep.
Now, with any luck, oops. So the praying mantis will totally climb on these sticks. I need some scissors so I can just cut this one at the top.
Okay, right here. Mom, remember? We got scissors. Where's your sharp TV? Look at I'm just using the laser sharp.
Close your eyes, everybody. I don't want this to shoot you in the eye. Why isn't it cutting?
Yeah, it's impossible to cut those things. Not have that.
Did you cut it?
Let me get a better grip.
Good job. Okay, next step, add your mantis.
And it will.
I'm gonna do that part because they're very, very fragile. So let's find, did you find the mantis in this one yet? He's right there. So we're separating them so there's only one praying mantis per container.
I want the pretzel. I want the flower.
Alright, I'm gonna stand up on your guys' chair so I can see
Okay,
down.
that's okay. I want the cheese
Move
ball.
this guy over
And
there.
I want the flower.
You just like kissed my armpit. Stop.
But I love her.
I love you too.
Okay, then.
Now, I have only been able to find 2 in here, which there was supposed to be 3, so I think one might have ate the other one.
Well, that's alright.
Do you want to get a close up at this part? So, you want to be very gentle. They're really fragile and small.
Except that big one in the pretzel cookie.
I don't think they'll hurt you. They've never bit me or anything. They're getting quite big compared to when they hatched.
Let me have it. I want to feel it. I feel what it feels like.
Let mommy handle this part, okay?
Alright, we're just going to put him in, okay? We don't need to fill him.
I don't know what pregnant feels like.
Oh, he doesn't want to go in.
Look at this giant one that I
He's
have.
like, I'm free!
Oh, look at the giant one that I have. I'm walking over this. Mommy's arm.
There he goes. Right down that stick.
Free and in the...
Alright, so what we're going to do is we are going to put the lid on and then...
I'm gonna do it.
Oh, he's fine. Okay. You guys got an eye on him? We're going to try and feed him. It's going to be more difficult because...
It's way smaller.
Alright. So can I get this down there?
I want to do
Yeah,
it.
he's trying to climb up.
I know.
Daddy.
Let me see if I do that. You won't be able to, right?
Put your hands up. Careful, you're killing him.
Is he okay?
Daddy, put your hand in me.
Is he okay?
No, you're killing him.
Stop it. We're not killing him. It's okay. Alright.
They're very
Go
fragile.
look and I'll
Look
help
out.
you in a minute, okay?
I'm gonna do that height.
Well, you... What?
Is he gonna make it out the top?
They're super
No.
duper duper.
Excuse me, I need
That's
to move
a
this.
top.
There we go.
Super duper duper.
Alright, now we're going to feed him.
Oh. Those
good.
flies
He's climbing
smell
down.
disgusting.
They smell gross.
Yeah,
Alright.
they're overdated. I wanna do it. I wanna do it.
This part I have to do because I have to work very quickly. Oh, perfect. It totally just shot right down. Did you see that? You want to get a video of it from the top? It was crazy. Okay, can you see it good? It looked like a pinball machine or something. Okay, back up, Levi. I don't want these in your face.
Oh.
See him shoot down there? Bing, bing, bing. Okay, put the lid on that
It's
sucker.
horror. It's horror.
It's horror. All right, and now we need to put our lid on.
I want to. Oh, I just want.
Oh, my flower seeds.
Uh-oh.
Okay, well, we gotta work quick. We can get those in a minute. Okay. What you can do, Haley, is trim the edges. All right, I'm gonna go get a little needle and I'll show them how I poke the hole.
You have to make it up to here and cut around. You made it. Now cut around.
Careful not to cut the rubber band, okay? Oh, wait.
This
There you go.
step probably doesn't matter. I just feel a little better. Oh, that's a little too close. It's okay.
It's going.
good.
It's good.
Okay. All right. So this step, that's good. This step probably doesn't matter. I just feel kind of bad for him. Like can you see the little holes I made on this one?
Nope.
No, you can't see them.
I see them. Yeah, me too.
All right, so
I want to poke.
I just put teeny tiny holes in there. I just felt a little too bad for him being in there without any.
This one doesn't have
Here.
any holes.
The paper towel is very breathable, so you probably don't need to do the step, but I just did. So they're getting really big and they look really healthy, so these little flies are working good. They are
smell
smelly,
like
but anyway, can we see each one of them in there now? The one in the grass always looks like it's having a good
Look at,
time.
he's eating.
Is he?
Yeah.
Cool.
He's got one in his little arms.
Hey, you told
Awesome.
me I could have this one, so I can have it.
That's great.
Can I have this one?
Oh, don't move that. Daddy's videoing him. Is he eating it?
Yeah, he's got one in his arms.
That's so cool.
He's holding it and climbing up to a good place. maybe he's wanting to eat it. We're gonna stay. No, they aren't. Too
Yeah,
tiny.
he's totally munching it.
He's munching it.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Cool.
Cool, huh, guys?
You can zoom in and see if it's better along the
Zoom in on this.
along the right side of the screen.
Could
Oh,
I
maybe
have
not.
this for music? Could I have one of these for music? Could I have for drumsticks?
All right, and now let's find the, should be one, there might be two in here. It's really hard to find them in the grass. Do you see it anywhere?
I'm gonna have the last two for music. Huh? Take this.
Well, if you want to look for that one, I'll look for this one and then,
Mine?
oh, here it is right here. And what we've noticed is the flies are kind of reproducing on their own in there, so.
Good.
But there it is. How to make a simple enclosure. Oh, that is so neat.
I'm definitely this.
They're growing really fast, so we didn't have any way to measure them. Maybe next year we'll figure out a way to measure how fast they grow. All right, guys.